Okay. I can't really see it too well, but the Stealth twin turbo. Again, hopefully the blister tank don't know if it's fun draining out, but I'm also having low oil pressure. So, and actually I think it's a lot quieter once it's warmed up.